A very good morning, everyone. I am Kartikeya Manoj Saxena from Indore Institute of Law, and I am working as an intern in LexQ. So I am here with the topic of IPC, that is Chapter 9 of Indian Penal Code, that is offence by or relating to public servant. We are going to this topic today. So without wasting our time, let's start this topic. This chapter deals with two class of offence, of which one can be committed by public servants alone and other compromise offence which relate to public servant through they are not committed by them. So this is going to be discussed. The section 161 to 165 repealed by the Prevention of Corruption Act 49 of 1998, section 31. So this section 161 to 165A has been demolished or repealed. So let's begin with section 166. Public servant disobeying law with intent to cause injury. It says that disobeying of law by public servant, the offence under this section consists in a willful department from the direction of the law, intent to cause injury to any person. Mere breach of department rules will not bring a public servant with the preview of this section. सो दिस इज दैट अगर कोई भी पब्लिक सर्वेंट कोई भी लॉ डिसोबे करता है और उसको पता होता है कि इस अगर मैं इस लॉ को डिसोबे करूंगा तो उस पर्सन को इंजरी होगी, स्टिल वो इस लॉ को डिसोबे करता है. सो दिस लॉ सेज दैट any public servant disobeying the law with intent that this disobeying will cause injury to any person, so it is punishable. It is punishable for simple imprisonment of the term which may extend to 1 year or fine or both. So that the classification of offence, the offence under this section is non-cognizable, bailable, non-compoundable and trial by the magistrate of the first class. Well, let's take an example. A being offered directed by the law to take property in acquisition in order to satisfy the necessity of the pronounced in Z's favor by a court justice knowingly disobey the direction of the law with knowledge that this will cause injury to Z. So A has committed the offence defined in this section. Now let's talk about section 166A, public servant disobeying direction under law. Whoever being a public servant knowingly disobeying any direction of law of which prohibits him to requiring the attendance at any place of any person for the purpose of investigation into an offence or any other matter. So this law says that कि कोई भी किसी को भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए कहीं पे भी नहीं बुला सकता. Knowingly disobeying to prejudice to any person or any other direction, law regulating the manner in which shall be conduct such investigation. If this happen, then it shall be rigorous imprisonment of term which shall be extend to not less than 6 months, but which may extend to 2 years and shall be liable for fine. The classification of offence, the offence under this section is cognizable, bailable, non-compoundable and trial by the magistrate of first class. Section 166B, punishment for non-treatment of a victim. Whoever being in charge of a hospital, public or private, whether it is run by central government or state government, local bodies, any other person of the provision section 357 in the criminal code 93 shall be punished with the imprisonment of term which may extend to 1 year and a fine or both. So this section state that कोई भी अगर डॉक्टर गवर्नमेंट डॉक्टर कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट करने से मना कर देता है विक्टिम का, तो उसको पनिशमेंट होगी 1 साल की और फाइन और दोनों चीज. The classification of offence under this section is non-cognizable, bailable, non-compoundable and trial by the magistrate of first class. Well, now let's talk about 167, public servant framing an incorrect document which may intend to cause injury. It clearly says that कोई भी पब्लिक सर्वेंट अगर फॉल्स डॉक्यूमेंट बनाता है, ये जानते हुए भी कि उसके फॉल्स डॉक्यूमेंट बनाने पर किसी को इंजरी हो सकती है, स्टिल वो फॉल्स डॉक्यूमेंट बनाता है, तो शैल बी पनिश विद डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ टर्म विच में एक्सटेंड टू 3 years और फाइन और बोथ. तो उसको मिनिमम 3 साल की सजा और फाइन और बोथ हो सकता है. द ऑफेंस अंडर दिस सेक्शन इज कॉग्निजेबल, बेलेबल, नॉन कंपाउंडेबल एंड ट्रायल बाय द मजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास. 168, पब्लिक सर्वेंट लॉफुली एंगेजिंग इन ट्रेड. कोई भी पब्लिक सर्वेंट इंगेज होता है ट्रेड में, तो it should be punishable with the imprisonment which may extend to 1 year or fine or both. The classification of offense is section in non-cognizable, bailable, non-compoundable and trial by the magistrate of first class. Section 169 deals with public servant unlawfully buying or bidding a property. Whoever being a public servant being legally bounded as such a public servant not to purchase or a bid for certain property, purchase or bid for that property either in his own name or in the name of another or jointly in the shares with others shall be punished with simple imprisonment term which may extend to 2 years or fine or both, and the property of the purchase shall be confiscated. So it clearly says that कोई भी पब्लिक सर्वेंट अगर बिडिंग करता है या एंगेज इन ट्रेड होता है, अकेले होता है या ज्वाइंटली होता है या किसी शेयर के थ्रू होता है, तो वो पनिशेबल होगा फॉर 2 years और फाइन और बोथ, एंड जो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी होगी वो भी उसे ले ली जाएगी. द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफेंस, द ऑफेंस अंडर दिस सेक्शन इज कॉग्निजेबल, बेलेबल, नॉन कंपाउंडेबल एंड ट्रायल बाय द मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास. द पर्सोनिनेटिंग ऑफ अ पब्लिक सर्वेंट. इट क्लियरली सेज दैट अगर कोई भी इंसान यूनिफॉर्म कोई भी इंसान पब्लिक मतलब कोई भी ऑफिस होल्ड कर रहा है, like if I am saying I am officer but I am not, and I am holding a officer as I am an IAS officer but I am not, so I am doing a crime and I will be liable for imprisonment of term which may extend to 2 year fine or both. Section 177 states that wearing, grab or carrying token used by public servant with fraudulently intent, where not belonging to certain class of public servant wears the grab, any carries any token, any grab. So it's clearly said that कोई भी public servant हो जिसको जो टोकन मिलता है, कोई भी grab मिलता है public servant को, तो in short अगर कोई हम मतलब like normal ordinary people जो public servant को टोकन और grab मिला है वो ordinary people यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, एंड अगर उन्होंने यूज किया है तो उनको 3 months के लिए इम्प्रिजनमेंट फाइन और मे बी फाइन में बी एक्सटेंड टू 200 rupees और बोथ. द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑफेंस अंडर दिस सेक्शन इज कॉग्निजेबल, बेलेबल, नॉन कंपाउंडेबल एंड ट्रायल बाय द मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्लास. सो हियर इन चैप्टर 9 of IPC we discuss about offense by or relating of public servant. So it is all about chapter 9 of IPC. Now in another video we will discuss next chapter of IPC. Thank you so much. Take care.